Okay, guys, so today we will talk about basic coding. Okay, so yeah, we will learn about what is coding, what does that mean. Um, so, firstly, we will talk about what coding is, and we will learn about coding, which helps computer follow instructions. We will also talk about, like I said, what coding is, the basic coding ideas, and how it is used in real life. So coding can be a lot of things. Like firstly, basically, for the younger kids, we will use coding. When using coding, we will do Scratch, so that they can learn how to code. That is the basic, so that they can learn how to code. Then we will go on. Then we will learn how to code a robot and how it moves. Obviously, you will send instructions to the computer, and then they will tell you, or you will tell them what to do. Okay, so firstly, let's talk about what coding is. Okay, coding is how we communicate using a special language. Just like how people use English or Afrikaans or Zulu or Spanish to communicate, we also use a specific language to communicate to the computer. So the computer understands languages like Python or JavaScript or HTML. So these languages will help us to create websites. We will be able to code apps. We will be able to make softwares. And obviously we will be able to code computers, code robots. Now we will talk more about some basic coding ideas. Here are some important coding concepts. So a variable, these stores information like names and numbers. For example, in Python, a variable named age can hold a person's age. So that's how you code it, with a variable. Then we will go to the control structures. These help computer make decisions. Okay, so normally we will do that with the if statement. For example, an if statement tells the computer to do something only if a condition is met. Then you will use that coding structure. Then again, we will have functions. These are pieces of code that make the program easier to manage. Then we will get loops. That can be like a forever loop. Just exactly what it says. Forever loop. It goes on forever and ever and ever and ever. So loops repeats tasks automatically, like counting numbers or sorting lists. So that will be your basic coding ideas and concepts. So now let's talk about how is coding used in real life. So coding has many ways. So that can be including like building websites, building a website for your firm, for your school, building a website for if you are a social influencer or you want to do marketing. So building websites will use the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript that will help design and create websites. Okay, then also making apps. You can make applications. So that can be applications for your phone or for your PC. Now making the applications it can be difficult, it can be a long, but it will be worth it at the end of the day. You can also, with making the apps, we use it to create mobile and computer apps. Then creating games. Okay, so games are built using coding languages like C hash. So like we can also create games using Scratch. If you are familiar with Scratch, it is the easiest way to start coding a game. So if you don't know Scratch, go and visit. Scratch is amazing and so easy to use, and it is easy to use for for younger kids and older kids. So yeah, and then obviously analyzing data. So scientists use coding to study information and find patterns. So that will be how coding is used in real life. Okay, so now about coding and everything. Coding is a powerful skill that lets us create amazing things. Learning